Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 15th August 2024. Bankers are sweating over what is likely to be a tough time in the next fiscal year as the Reserve Bank of India is expected to unleash stringent rules, tightening provisioning requirements for project finance, introducing a new expected credit loss framework, and imposing a higher liquidity coverage ratio for deposits to hedge against sharp outflows through digital channels. The central bank is expected to introduce these rules later this year, and bankers are worried they will hurt profitability in the medium term. On August 12, 2024, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs issued notification number GSR 492E, which introduces the company's Indian Accounting Standards Amendment Rules 2024. This update brings significant changes to the Indian Accounting Standards or Ind AS, initially established in 2015. Key changes under the new rules include: Number 1. Modifications to Ind AS 101. This amendment updates the guidelines for first-time adoption of Ind AS, aiming to simplify and clarify reporting requirements for companies transitioning to these standards. Number 2. Revisions to Ind AS 103. Changes in Ind AS 103 pertain to business combinations, refining the principles for accounting for acquisitions and mergers to ensure more accurate financial reporting. And number 3. Removal of Ind AS 104. The amendment rules eliminate Ind AS 104, which previously dealt with insurance contracts, signaling a shift in the regulatory framework for insurance accounting. RBI has updated the risk weight guidelines for housing finance companies. Accordingly, risk-weighted assets computed for undisbursed amount of housing loans, other loans, must be capped at the risk-weighted asset computed on a notional basis for equivalent amount of the disbursed loan. Further, the risk weight of fund-based and non-fund-based exposures to commercial real estate residential building, which are classified as standard, must be 75%. Travel tech firm Oyo has reported its first ever net profit at Rs 229 crore in financial year 24 as per its latest annual report. In a post on X on Wednesday, Ritesh Agarwal, Oyo founder, said that the numbers have exceeded his earlier estimate of Rs 100 crore for the 23-24 fiscal year. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.